What's going on, y'all? About to go into Planet Fitness. I'm about to show y'all a full body workout. So this is for beginners. I'm actually going to be using my sister. So if you're a beginner, you have a Planet Fitness membership, I'm going to show you the correct form. I'm going to show you how to do a full body workout, work out your body from top to bottom, proper form, and it's only going to take maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So watch the whole video, comment at the end what you want to see or if this was helpful. Let's do it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do, we're going to get on a treadmill and then put on an incline. Go for 5 to 10 minutes. So the incline, put it on 10, and the speed maybe about 2.5, 3.0, depending where you're at. The incline all the way up. Make sure you do no hands. Try not to hold on to the rails. Right here, huh? Feel it a lot in your thighs. A lot of people, when they do it, they're actually holding on to the rail. So try not to hold on. Get that heart pumping, that blood flowing, and you'll be ready for the workout. Alright, so we're starting off with the free weights. So I want you to do curls. So you're going to do 10 curls. You actually go a little bit faster than that. But you're doing that the curls at the same time. Controlling the weight on the way down. It's the most important thing. Go for 10. How many you got? You don't know. You lost count.
I thought you were just going to record.
Keep going.
I think I have like 4 more.
Alright, hurry up. 4.
You got the form?
I got the form. I got the form on them. I'm recording. It's looking good. Alright, so once you get 10, you're going to do a squat to a press. So it's working your shoulders and your legs.
Like this, right?
Nope. Start at the top.
I thought you said.
Nope. So this is good for camera. I'm going to actually keep this on there.
Okay.
So we're going to keep it, turn this way.
Oh, this way.
Start at the top, squat, and press for 10. Squat first, press. 10. 1, 2. So this is working your core, it's working your legs, a little bit of your biceps, and your shoulders all at once. This is how you get a full body workout in less time. So 10 and 10. So you got to do 10 curls, 10 squats or press. Do this 3 times, 3 sets. How many? And that's 10. Alright, from there we're going to do 10 squats. Make sure you're going deep. Try to go at least 90 degrees from your knee. Got my little sister doing it. She on here getting it. It's hard to breathe with these masks on, but 10 squats, and then from there you're going to do the squat jumps. Then you go in and out. Jump in and out. 10.
I forgot.
She forgot.
I forgot.
All right.
That one.
All right.
I was focused on the other
I'm
one.
gonna keep this rolling. Hold the camera. Record me. Show me. She forgot, so I'm gonna show you live. Can you see me good?
Yes.
All right. So you got that gym. So you're gonna do a squat jump in and out. So I'm gonna go like this. In. For 10. Let's see you do it. All right. Squat in, jump out, in, and out, in, out, in, out. You got 10. It's a really good burn for the legs. Tone up the glutes, the thighs. You're gonna do 3 sets of everything too. So once you do this, repeat it 3 times. Hey. We're going to dumbbell punches. So when you're doing these, you want to grab a weight that's kind of light. So she has 5-pound weights right now. Try to do about 20 on each side. Turn your wrists, working your core, a little bit on your legs, mostly your shoulders and your buys. Going right into around the world. So touch at the top, come all the way down. Try to touch the weight. Touch it. Come back down. Touch. Touch at the bottom too as well. All the way up. So these actually look easy, but it's a little bit harder than how they look. You see she feeling it. And the shoulders and the back. Really good back exercise. Working your shoulders. If you want to get toned upper body, doing things like this would actually help. So we're going to do 10. Another 10. So we're going to repeat this 3 sets. So dumbbell punches, 20 on each side. And then around the world 10. Tired as hell.
I'm not tired, they just hurt. Those hurt.
Then from there, we're gonna go to a leg press. So if you wanna work your glutes, your thighs, this is a really good one. Make sure you're going at least 90 degrees. So see her knees, how deep she's going? Go deep almost into your chest and push it up, unless you got knee issues. So you're gonna do 10, and then once you get 10, hold at the bottom for 10 seconds. This is called an isometric contraction. So you're gonna hold at the bottom for 10, like that. 10-second countdown, hold it, hold it, hold it. And then you're gonna push up. That's one set. So we're gonna do 3 sets. So you go 10, hold at the bottom for 10, keep it rocking, keep it rocking. Let's go right into the next one. Down for 10. So you go deep into it, deep into the leg press, and then hold at the bottom for 10. So we only have 145 on here right now, but if you are, see she's getting a little tired. If you are stronger, you can put 2 or 3 or 4, but the hold is the hardest part on this. So when you're holding at the bottom, that's when you really feel it. All the way down, hold it for 10, and press it up. Too easy. This is for beginners. You go at your own pace. Take about 20 to 30 seconds break in between, and then knock these out. This whole workout should take about 30 minutes to about 45 minutes. 45 minutes to knock out. Shouldn't be too long, but it's definitely effective. Let's go one more. Ten and 10. 10. See how deep she's going. Going real deep into it. Work them legs. 10 seconds. Try not to use your elbows. Try to hold it, and then it's a wrap. Alright, so for the core, we're doing flutter kicks. 20 on each, 10 on each leg, 20 total. So it's working on your lower abs, and then you're gonna grab the ball, and you're gonna do Russian twist, 10 on each side. Repeat this 3 sets. See how she's leaning back, working the obliques, 10 on each side. Try to touch the ball on the floor, back and forth, back and forth. Try not to drop it. It'll work.
It hurts.
3 of them.
I try to stay still.
All right, y'all. So that was the workout. Like I said, that was a beginner workout, working out your whole body. So make sure you're actually keeping your form right. How'd you like the workout?
It definitely hurts, especially the lower half. I underestimated it, so if you're gonna do it, don't pile on too much. Just do to what you can do.
Yeah, just take it easy. As far as the weight, if you're stronger, go up more on the weight. All that stuff. So comment below what you want to see specifically. If you want to see any butt routines, leg routines.
You know it's hot girl summer.
Hot girl summer. It is hot. We in Phoenix, Arizona. We out here sweating.
Yeah.
But yeah, comment below exactly what you want to see. To be honest, I do not have a Planet Fitness membership. I go to LA Fitness, but it's a really good gym for beginners. So no shade, but try it out and let me know what you think. I'm looking forward to your comments. Peace.